everybody, welcome and thank you for tuning in. We're at Dubbo for the Gold Cup. This is going to be, I believe, my last race of the season. So we wanted to go out with a bang. We have a new engine strapped on the kart. Was learning that was not too different to what I've been racing, but at the same time you've got to understand the different varieties of engines. So we're trying to get in tune with that engine, and the driver who was the fastest in my class this weekend was also running the same engine. That engine, I believe, won, or I got second in the Manning Valley State titles in that class. So it was I knew from the get-go it's going to be a very competitive engine. I wanted to really make sure I was on level with that driver. Unfortunately, he was significantly faster than me. I feel like I was lacking in power with the engine. A bit of it would have been the kart setup for sure. It was a very, very hot day. Well, weekend. It was a 2-day event, so it was a very hot weekend. So most of it, I'd say most of it would have been kart setup. Some of it would have been my driving, and then a little bit of it would have been not understanding the engine and feeling like I was feeling it was lacking on the exit of the corners. Like it wasn't. You'll be able to see number 17 is the other engine. He pops past me every heat. You'll be able to see how he just gaps me at the end of each corner. Not saying it's all the engine. Like, yeah, I know what I'm doing wrong. I know what I have to do with the kart. Just need to learn the engine. They are still upgrading and updating the engine, so they are tweaking it here and there. It's actually got sent back down to the manufacturer because they found new tuning parts that has better performance. So I understand that being a new engine, being updated and upgraded, it's going to have its testing points. But this is Heat 1. Yeah, not much else to say. Just enjoy the race and enjoy the last event of my season. Thank you.